Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and tips on how to make money online. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: 5 legitimate ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, these methods are sure to help you achieve financial success. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. E-commerce. With the rise of e-commerce, starting your own online store has never been easier. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, clothing, or digital products, the internet provides a global marketplace for your goods. Setting up an online store allows you to reach customers from around the world, giving you the potential for significant profits. With the right strategy and marketing efforts, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. Content creation. If you have a talent for creating engaging content, then platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging might be the perfect fit for you. Content creators are in high demand, and with dedication and consistency, you can build a loyal following and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Remember, the key to success in content creation is finding your unique voice, providing value to your audience, and staying consistent with your uploads. So, grab that camera or start writing, and let your creativity shine. Online coaching. Are you an expert in a particular field? Why not share your knowledge and monetize your skills through online coaching? Many people are willing to pay for guidance and mentorship to achieve their goals. Online coaching allows you to connect with clients worldwide and make a positive impact on their lives. Whether it's fitness, business, or personal development, your expertise can open doors to a fulfilling and profitable online coaching career. Dropshipping. Have you ever dreamed of running your own business but were hesitant due to inventory management? With dropshipping, you can start an online store without the hassle of storing or shipping products. Dropshipping allows you to partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping process on your behalf. You simply market the products and fulfill orders. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that can be incredibly profitable with the right products and marketing strategies. Online investments. Our final method is online investments. With advancements in financial technology, individuals can now invest in various assets, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. While investing always carries some degree of risk, it can also be a way to grow your wealth over time. Research different investment opportunities, seek professional advice, and start small as you gain confidence in the world of online investing. And there you have it: 5 legitimate ways to make money online in 2023. We hope these methods inspire you to explore new opportunities and embark on your journey to financial independence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, feel free to leave your comments or questions down below. Until next time, happy earning!